What temperature should I set my faucets to prevent freezing during winter?
Hello and welcome to our discussion today on the important topic of preventing your pipes from freezing during the winter season. This might seem like a trivial matter, but it's not. Pipe freeze can lead to burst pipes, causing damage that can cost thousands of dollars to repair.
Why do pipes freeze?
In winter, when the temperature drops significantly, water in your pipes can freeze. When water freezes, it expands. This expansion puts a lot of pressure on the pipes, and if the pressure becomes too much, your pipes can crack or burst.
What temperature should I set my faucets to?
The question of what temperature to set your faucets at is a bit misleading. Your faucet doesn't regulate temperature. It's a conduit for the water coming from your hot and cold water pipes. However, you can help prevent freezing by letting your faucet drip. The real key is keeping your home's internal temperature above freezing. A general rule of thumb is to keep your home's internal temperature at least at 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius. This is especially important if you're going away for a few days. While it might be tempting to lower your heat to save on your energy bill, you could return home to a much bigger problem if your pipes freeze and burst.
What else can I do to prevent my pipes from freezing?
Besides maintaining a warm enough temperature in your home, there are several other steps you can take. 1. Insulate your pipes, particularly those in unheated areas like basements, attics, and crawl spaces. Pipe insulation is inexpensive and can go a long way towards preventing pipe freeze. 2. Seal drafts. Cold air can seep into your home through cracks and gaps. Sealing these can keep the interior of your home warmer and protect your pipes. 3. Let your faucets drip. If you expect an especially cold night, let your faucets drip. Running water, even at a trickle, can help prevent pipes from freezing. In conclusion, protecting your pipes from freezing is critical during the winter months. It isn't just about setting your faucets to a particular temperature, but rather ensuring your home's internal temperature is maintained, insulating your pipes, and taking other precautions like sealing drafts and letting faucets drip on extremely cold nights. I hope this video has been helpful and enables you to prevent any pipe freeze problems this winter. Stay warm, and thanks for watching.